Watch before using Wix. Should you use Wix for your website needs? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing all the different plans that Wix has to offer and if you should upgrade to a premium plan on Wix, what kind of storage and bandwidth are you going to get, and how does the overall Wix platform suffice as your website builder. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is why not just use the free version? And on the free version, there is a very basic limitation called the domain connection. So on the free version of Wix, you can't add your own custom domain, and this is the largest limitation that you're going to have with the free version, and that is why you might consider upgrading. Now, if you're considering upgrading, make sure to actually view your sites and view the overall price comparison between all of the different plans and go with the features that you need. So first off, they start their plans at $4.50 per month, and this is their Connect domain plan where you get a custom domain, where you also get a free SSL certificate, you get 1 gigabyte of bandwidth, and you get 500 megabytes of storage space. Now after that, you have 24/7 customer care. Now moving on to their next version, you have the combo, which is suggested for personal use. Now on the combo, you get custom domains, free domains for 1 year. You can remove Wix ad, which you can not remove on the $4 version, and then you have a SSL certificate, you have bandwidth, storage space, you have video hours of 30 minutes, and you also get 24/7 customer care. After that, they have the unlimited version, which is for entrepreneurs and freelancers, starting off where you get all of the features as I mentioned previously, but you also get unlimited bandwidth and you get 10 gigabytes of storage and 1 hour of videos. Now you also get a free site booster application for 1 year and a visitor analytics app for 1 year on the unlimited version, which starts at $12.50 per month. Now after that, you have the VIP version where you get first customer support. So as soon as you make a complaint on the VIP version of Wix, you're going to get prioritized customer support, and it's pretty instantaneous. You get all of the features, including unlimited bandwidth and 35 gigabytes of storage space. You also get 5 hours of video on your website. Now you also get professional logos, you get social media logo filed, and you have the priority customer care. Now all of these are good, and you might be thinking you should go with the Connect domain or the combo, but I would actually suggest neither. So don't ever go for the $4.50 one or the $8.50 one, and I have my reasons. Now, the unlimited version is something I would suggest that you should opt for because it allows you unlimited bandwidth, and you can see over here that the combo version has 2 gigabytes of bandwidth. So you can see over here, even for $8.50, you're going to be getting 2 gigabytes of bandwidth, while on the unlimited version, you're going to be getting unlimited bandwidth, and that is one of the largest reasons that I recommend that you actually opt for the unlimited version directly on Wix if you're considering to upgrade your Wix website. Now, after that, you might be wondering, okay, I have this website plan. What if I'm running a business or e-commerce store? Well, you need to compare all of their business features over there. So there are 3 basic business plans on Wix where you get the basic business, the business unlimited, and the business VIP. So on the business basic, you can accept online payments for $17 per month, and you have online secure payments, you have plans and recurring payments, customer accounts, custom domains, free domain for 1 year, and you also remove your Wix ads. You get unlimited bandwidth, you have 20 gigabytes of storage space, and you also have 5 hours of video hours, and you also get 24/7 customer care. Now, if you're running an e-commerce store, I would definitely suggest that you don't ever go for their website plans. Move directly onto their business and e-commerce plans, because you might think, oh, I'll just upgrade my website and my e-commerce store will look good as well, but that is not the situation in most cases. So make sure you do realize that you need a business upgrade for a business platform. Now, after that, Wix has their business unlimited where you get 10 hours of video hours, you have 35 gigabytes of storage and unlimited bandwidth, and you also get 24/7 customer care. Now, on this version of Wix, you're also going to be getting unlimited product additions, you're going to be getting abandoned cart recoveries, you're going to be getting subscriptions, you can deal in multiple currencies, which is a very essential feature now in the global age, and then you have automated sales tax, so your sales tax will be calculated automatically for 100 transactions per month. You can also sell on social channels, sell on the marketplace, and you can do drop shipping by the Model List app for up to 250 products and connect them directly to your Wix website. You can can also do product reviews by KudoBuzz and add 1,000 reviews from there. Now, if we were to go into a detailed comparison, you can also see some details about the ticket and event management, the online order system, the hotel reservation, depending on what kind of business you have. So if you have a hotel reservation business, then you can see the different features that they have for that. You can see your online order tracking, you can see the ticket and event management, and if all of these business versions provide a similar kind of utility. Now, in most situations for very specific niches, I find that all three work the same, but in terms of general usability, the Business Unlimited of Wix is probably the best. But if you still don't feel like this is adequate enough for you and your business, you can always opt up to the Business VIP, and you get everything and anything on here. And you also get prioritized customer care. You have unlimited video hours on your website, so you can add as many videos as you want. And the best part is that you get customized reports. So you're going to get a detailed report or analytic report, how your website is doing, how many clicks you have, what people have been viewing on your store, and other details like that. And you also get 500 transactions per month for automated sales tax. You can add unlimited products for your modelless dropshipping business. So this is a very good plan to invest in if you're doing dropshipping by modellist. So you can add as many products as you want and start your dropshipping business essentially from 2 basic applications, and you can integrate 3,000 reviews from the KudoBuzz app as well. You can also sign up for the loyalty program by Smile.io on the Business VIP version of Wix, which starts at $35 per month. So that's a general overview of their pricing. Now, you can see over here that the Business VIP is probably the most expensive. The general VIP for your website builder is pretty decent, but for most people, creating a website is somewhere they want to sell their products and start promoting their products. And if you're running a large business, then you're going to have to go up for the Business Unlimited, but you can also opt for the VIP version for just your website and then integrate a different store setup like Shopify for your Wix website. In general, if you go on to Wix and you just want to try this out, so you're not sure what kind of plan you want, you can just go on to Wix, create a free website, just log in over here. So if you just open up Wix, you're going to have a basic little dashboard, and you can just click on create new site. And then you have the Wix website editor, and you can start creating a basic website to understand the features that you're going to need. So you can start creating an online store for free. And then the more you're equipped with knowledge about how to build your website and how the online store is going to run, the better you can choose what plan you want. So if you don't need some of these extra features, you don't need unlimited video hours on your website, you're going to understand which plan you should opt for. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.